Elementary teachers, let's grow food with your class. Do you know why I keep suggesting that you start with the recommended seeds list for schools that I have in my bio? Because the biggest mistake teachers make when they want to grow with their class is they immediately think school gardens. Raised beds, tons of soil, lots of approvals, loads of convincing lots of people, watering tools, summer maintenance, organizing people, worrying about vandalism and animals, fencing, locks, keys, etc. All of that leads to funding applications, planning, organizing, begging people for money, etc. Stop. That is a mistake. The first thing you need to think about is a list of seeds that are proper for growing in schools. All you need to start is you, your students, the right seeds, a little bit of soil that comes in bags, and a sunny window. And of course, a bunch of really inexpensive like seed starting cups and buckets and things like that. That's it. Go check out the resources. I don't know which way this is going to be, sorry, but you know what to do. On the teacher's link, there's a free list of my recommended seeds. There's guides you can purchase really cheaply that shows you how to get those seeds started. There are more programs you can join. And most importantly, and most valuably in my opinion, is the Oasis Teachers Membership. Because in there, every month, I'm going to give you a step-by-step done for you growing activity that you can take and run with it in your class. And I'm going to be there as a coach to help you out with any questions you might have. Go check it out.